everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today we are working with Nadula. They sent me over this wig, y'all. This wig. It is everything to me. This is a 7x5 by knots wig. It's water wave. It's 24 inches. I'm obsessed with this wig. I am absolutely obsessed. I will be wearing this consecutively for the next week. I cannot take her off. This is a glueless wig, you guys. I do not have it glued down at all, as you can see, and it is just laying flat to the head. So flat. But if you guys want to see me unbox this wig, because this wig came with a lot of goodies, I'll tell you that right now. I will unbox it for you and install it. But if you guys want to see all that, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right over here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into it. All right, y'all, we're back with another Nadula wig today. Isn't their packaging so freaking cute? I love these little bags. I love them, and so does my daughter, so I'll definitely be giving this to her when I'm done. But just admire the bag for a second. Adorbs. Comes with the satin bag. Really cute nudie with Nadula in this royal blue cobalt. First, we have the wig sitting on top. The wig is a HD glueless wig. It's 7x5 by knots Brazilian hair, and it's 24 inches water wave. We got some gifts in here, you guys. So first, this cute little bow, very cute. Another bow, it's giving mother-daughter, very cute. We have a hairbrush, love these. These are the ones with the little flexible tips. Wig caps, melting band, another melting band, more wig caps, and some cutesy nails. Lastly, we have something in here. This is a stacked necklace, you guys. How freaking cute. So it has this herringbone, and then another one with a heart, and then it says Nadula. Right. This is so freaking cute. I'll definitely wear this. Y'all, why did I just realize my wig was looking crazy this whole time? Anyway, it is what it is at this point. So let's get back into the wig. Let's take it out the package. First, they give us some of these bye knot stickers, which are really helpful for laying your wig down. These stickers really make your wig last for days. It definitely helps with the longevity of your wig, for sure. We have our little elastic band that we're gonna put on our wig. All right, so here is the wig, you guys. It is super long, really nice water wave, super soft, tangly free. As you can see, I'm just running my fingers straight through it. This looks so good. Let's get a close-up on the color. Looks really nice. Now let's get into the lace. The hairline looks absolutely gorgeous. We do have a HD hairline, you guys, and it looks really good. It already looks like a freaking melt. Hairline looks great. It is definitely pre-plucked and bleached. Now let's get into this lace. Y'all, this lace, it melts into my skin, you guys. This HD lace, I think, will camouflage on any skin tone. In my opinion, it blends so well with my skin tone, as you can see. Get into the wig cap. The wig cap looks very flexible and breathable. As you can see, there's so much parting space up here. Love that. It does have the elastic band around the sides, and it's very flexible, so it could fit most head shapes, if not all. Adjustable straps here on the side, and also a clip at the bottom. I love this clip on the bottom. It's so very important. It makes me feel way more secure when the wigs have that. And then on the ears, as you can see, it has the cuff for the ears, so it can be very comfortable sitting on top of your ear. I'm gonna have to go in and cut the lace just a little bit more, but as you guys can see, it is plucked to perfection, so I don't have to do any plucking. I'm so happy I don't have to do any plucking to this wig. You guys don't even understand. Go ahead and put a little bit of foundation on this lace, and I'm gonna cut the lace off camera as well. And then I'll come back and style this on camera for you guys. But again, y'all, this is 24 inches of water wave. It feels so freaking good. The lace is a 7x5, so it's 7 inches left to right and 5 inches deep. So you can have a nice deep part. I think I'm gonna do like a little side part today because I've been doing a lot of middle parts. So we'll get into that later. But yes, let me go ahead and do a couple things off camera and then I'll be right back. look at your baby. Say something.
Hi, vlog.
It's not a vlog, but
Oh.
say hi.
Hi, video.
Fresh out
Got
of
back
school.
from school.
Hi, I have makeup on to make.
It's about 90% dry. It looks really, really good. I did cut a little bang right here in the front just because I wanted a little, you know, a little frame around the face. But it's so cute and beautiful. I'm going to show you guys the back real quick. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh la la. Oh my God. Look at this melt, y'all. And just a sec, because I did not glue this wig down. Let me show y'all. It's still glueless underneath here. I did not glue it down. It looks so good. My baby hair is laid really, really nice. Oh my God, I love this. I love this. Oh my gosh, look how big and fluffy these curls are. They're so beautiful, honestly. Let me stop yelling because I know I'm yelling right now. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. The ends of the hair look really good. It is just so freaking full, just from all angles, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so upset. Right, but yes, this wig feels so good on my head. Very, very secure. Wig is not going. The wig is very secure. It is not going anywhere, you guys. Not going anywhere. I love it. Oh my gosh. Be prepared to be sick of me. Sick of me. As you guys can see, it's just everything to me. Absolutely everything to me. Make sure you guys drop a comment if you guys have any questions about this wig. All I did was put some water in here, conditioner, and a little bit of mousse because I ran out of this. So yeah, that's all I did. And then I just let it air dry, and then I did blow dry it just a little bit at the end just to like speed it up because it was taking a little bit long. But this hair just has so much body, you guys. And it looks so good after a little style. I love it. Make sure you guys drop a comment below. Let's talk about this wig together. I want to thank Nadula Hair for sending me over this wig and sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.